We're like seconds away from beginning. Hi in the GG. It's I've been seeing some of you. You've been here for all the calls from beginning to end. You have no idea how much our speakers appreciate that, and our the entire team appreciates that. Thank you so much. Hi Ricky. Hi Rachna. Hi Anjana. Nishi. Hi. Hi Anjali. Cynthia. Jaya. Himmat Bhai. Hi Swati. Sheetal. Garima, Tanu, Shiraj, KK, Ayushi, Sheila, Ashok. Hi Ashok, how are you doing? Long time. Hi Tejal, Madhu, Mayra, Meher, and we're at 6:30. Let me quickly say hello to everybody. Hi Dad. I see my dad on calls pretty often these days. I'm being very careful now sometimes. What am I saying on the call? Okay, we're at sorry dad, just a joke on your expense. We're exactly at 6:30. Let's just give everybody a minute more, and then we will start off on time. I opened my bottle. Okay, let me Shilpa, we're good to go. So everybody, please let's take a moment, gather ourselves. You know the drill by now. Eyes closed. Please do join me. Hands in Namaste or Namaskara. And Shilpa, please do us the honors. Good evening and welcome in to the Mystic Lotus and Dragonfly's awesome Love and Health Tele Summit. We have with us today a multi-award winning astrologer bestowed with the prestigious titles of Jyotish Rishi, Jyotish Shastracharya, and Vastu Ratnam. Her expertise in astrology comes with more than 20 years of experience and helping over 10,000 people. She also uses numerology, chakra healing, and balancing, number-based yantras, Reiki, and Vastu as and when required. She is well known for her unique ability to combine tools and knowledge from various areas to provide simple to follow, convenient, and effective remedies. Lee Goldberg said, astrology is like a weather report. It tells you what conditions you're likely to face in the future. If the weatherman says it's probably going to rain, you bring an umbrella. If you follow that advice, you won't get wet. So let's find out what our very own weather woman has in store for us today. I know you're just waiting for her to come on, so I won't take any more of your time. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for and join me in welcoming in the lady who's here to help us transform our health with Astro Remedies, Upma Srivastava. Hi, Upma ji, welcome in, welcome back.
Thank you, Neelu. Thank you for a beautiful introduction. I'm touched. Very nice. So, we started our today's call with the Om chanting and the sound of bell. Do you know what is the meaning of sound of bell?
It removes negative energy.
Yes, it's remove negative energies, but it has a deep connection with our body. When we listen the sound of bell, it balances our root chakra. And when your root chakra, your root energy center starts getting balanced, your survival related issues get balanced. The very first thing starts getting balanced. Very first thing means like when we came on the earth. So the very first thing on the earth when we come, it is like getting the love and affection and food. And these two are connected with our root chakra and sacral chakra. So as soon as we start listening the sound of bell, it clears the negative energy, but as well as it starts giving you food. It starts giving you finances. And when these two gets balanced, your solar plexus, that is the third energy center, it gets balanced. And when your root chakra and sacral chakra energy centers are imbalanced, then solar plexus also gets imbalanced. And when solar plexus get imbalanced, what will come? Our topic.
Nicely put together, Upma, because I was just thinking, is this becoming a chakra conversation?
No,
Where are we
no,
heading right
no.
now with this? So very nicely tied everything in, Upmaji. Thank you so much for that, and giving me the option.
Here I want to say you, like
Yes,
if your finances are in trouble, so
right.
you will start getting stressed. Once you start getting stressed, your personal life gets imbalanced. And when personal and professional life gets imbalanced, what will happen? You will start inviting disease. I love you. Please come to me. Please come to me. And what we will invite very first? We will invite diabetes. I call diabetes as a corporate disease. I call BP as a corporate disease.
Right, right.
Because
Upmaji, you've got, astrology and diabetes. What is the correlation? How does this come together?
according to me, Neelu, everything is correlated with diabetes. Sorry, everything is correlated with astrology.
Astrology, yes. For a moment, even I was not paying
No,
attention.
everything is correlated with astrology.
Right.
Like the in Hindi, astrology means Jyotish. And what is Jyotish? Jyotish is the combination of two words, Jyoti and Ish. Jyoti is the guidance or light, and Ish is Jyoti is light, and Ish is divine. So it is the divine guidance. And when it is a divine guidance, then everything will be related to it. That's why diabetes or anything, everything is connected with our body. And when everything is connected with our body, then divine has to appear. Okay. So now here, can we ask our audience what they know about diabetes, means what is the reason according to them behind the getting diabetes?
Right.
They
And
some might know about astrology, so they will write that. But there are many things which is very common, like stress and so. So can we ask our audience?
yes, people, Upmaji has asked the question. We wait for your answers. So Jaspreet's written in saying lack of joy or sweetness in life. And thank you, Nishi and Bharti. Okay. Jaspreet says, and I can see people, I can see in the GG's typing, I can see Rachna's typing, so I'm just waiting. Bharti says, repressed emotions. Cynthia says, sweetness in life, like lack of sweetness in life. In the GG says, disturbances in the endocrine, imbalance in
Yes.
the endocrine system.
Yes.
Rachna says, lack of love.
Yes.
Shiraj, Tanu, all questions on the Telegram group, please. And yes, that's the last thing that's come in. And Aarti says stress. Charmaine says imbalance of insulin. So
Yes.
the
So there
all
are some
possible
medical
factors are coming.
there are some medical terms, and their main is like stress, lack of joy, lack of sweetness. So what is the lack of joy and sweetness? Lack of joy and sweetness is again related to our sacral chakra, because when
Right.
our emotions, we are not feeling happy, then only we will say there is no happiness, there is no joy, or there is no sweetness. And Hindi, what we'll call the sacral chakra, Swadhisthana chakra. The sense
Wow.
organ of sacral chakra is swa related to swad, taste.
Right.
When it gets imbalance, it what it creates in the solar plexus, because endocrine system or our pancreas, that is related to our solar plexus. That is the, if we go in astrology, proper astrology, our fifth house, there it comes the this pancreas. It is in general form I am saying. There are many other combinations, but in general. So whether it is the solar plexus or the fifth house, because endocrine system is not working properly or pancreas is not working properly, then it is related to the Jupiter planet. And what is Jupiter? Jupiter is related to finance.
It intricately interwoven with each other, everything is.
Yes,
So the chakras, the planets,
the
the
body.
body systems, the organs, they all interconnected with each other.
Yes.
Right.
And
Right.
what is joy? Joy is Venus.
Oh, in fact, Upmaji, I don't know if this has anything to do with this call, but you were mentioning something about Mercury going into Venus's
Yes.
and Taurus's sign. So what
Yes.
does that mean for us health-wise?
Today early morning, Mercury planet came in the sign of Taurus, that is the second number sign. And in astrology, Taurus means our mouth. We eat from our mouth, and here Mercury has came. So that's why today we are talking about diabetes.
Did you know
Sun
about this date
sweetness.
today? Is that why you selected today's date for your call? Because
Yes,
everything tied in.
definitely, because everything is planned by universe.
Right, absolutely. I do agree with you on that completely, Upmaji. All of us, we think we're controlling our lives. We think we're making our decisions, but little do we know that there is a master puppeteer up there. In fact, a string of them running all our strings in life. So, yes, absolutely. And people are still writing in saying things like thyroid problem, DNA
Yes,
from ancestors, heredity,
yes.
everything. Right.
So DNA, family, heredity, ancestors, all these are again connected with our family. And our family comes from Sun, SUN, Sun planet, because Sun is our father, grandfather, or by going in the family tree. Then we will call astrology will again divide it in many planets, but mainly Sun. So if your sun is not good, then you will have a weak immune system. When you are having a weak immune system, your metabolism will be weak. When your metabolism will be weak, then your pancreas will not function proper. When your pancreas will not function proper, diabetes can appear. Then Venus will give you luxuries, and we all desire to have luxuries in life. So what we will say, I want to eat tasty food.
Ah, right, right.
And our lifestyle is, we are not physically so active. Only
Especially
very
right
few.
now.
Yes, right
Yes,
now. Because
especially right now.
we are forced to stay in the home. So right now, it is becoming more problematic, because
Right.
homes are small. We cannot do many things. And in every room, one meeting is going on,
Like right now.
like right now.
Right, absolutely. So, Upmaji, how easy or simple is it to find out if, okay, sorry, I will rephrase that question. So you're saying that looking at the charts, looking at a person's birth name details, you can actually tell them diabetes or not, or would you also be able to tell them if they're prone to diabetes or not?
By looking at the chart, we can tell them you are prone to diabetes. And if you take the proper precautions, you can avoid this, because diabetes, according to me, is a lifestyle disease.
Right.
And I don't say it as a disease because I like to use the healthy word. So we can say, if we are doing, if we are maintaining our lifestyle in a healthy form, then we can avoid these kind of disease. Because if you see, long back, around 30 years or 40 years back, it is not very common like now. It
Correct.
is, it is very common now. In every home, mostly
And
one person will be there.
across age groups now. It's not
Yes,
even like, you know, you cross a certain age and maybe because it's in the family history. Now it's showing up across age groups.
yes,
It's a little worrisome, actually.
yes. It's a worrisome because small childs are also getting.
Right, right.
So that's why prevention is more, we should
Better than,
do preventives.
right.
And
Prevention is better than
astrology, yes.
cure.
Yes.
Right, right.
And when astrology says ki, like, if your Jupiter is weak or your ascendant sign planet is weak, then you should take this kind of care. And if you are able to do take those precautions, you can avoid this. So can we start with calling someone?
Yes, absolutely. You want to get some.
I will need date of birth, time of birth, and place of birth.
Okay, so people, the magic is
So
about to
that
begin. Go ahead, write it in the Telegram group. And in the GG, you're right here. I'm bringing you on anyway with Upmanji.
yes, so that I can tell them if they are prone to diabetes, or right now if they are going through it, then what one or two remedies can be done.
Right. In the GG, can you hear me? Yeah. So no, just unmute yourself. Okay, she's typing it in. Yeah. Unmute.
You can till that time you can tell me her date of birth details to
Yes.
me.
Oh, Upaji, it just started pouring in. Hang on. Let me start at the beginning so that I don't miss anyone. Okay,
One
so
by one, one by one.
one by one. Anju is written in saying 21st, Anju Seth, Sheth, Anju Seth, 21st December 1958, Mumbai.
And what is the time?
Oh, right. A time of birth also, people. So, yes, Aarti, please give your mother's details. No worries at all.
So can I say?
Oh, you here? Come. Yes, please. Go ahead, ask.
Okay. 1st March 1954, born in Mumbai,
Please.
1 a.m.
1st March 1954.
54, born in Mumbai,
Okay.
and 1:20 a.m. in the morning.
Okay. 1 second.
And while Upmaji is coming, letting you know what's going to happen in a quick bit, just reminding everybody, you need to put in your time of birth also. So I'm already scrolling downwards. Anybody who's missed it before, just type in your details again. All right.
Are you already having diabetes? Because your chart indicates you are already having the diabetes.
I went into mute. Hang on.
Yeah, actually, then yes, I am on a higher level of prone to diabetes.
Okay. So I will say, because in your chart, Saturn planet is not well placed. It is giving you high level of diabetes. Plus,
Okay.
Rahu is also not well placed. That's why there are some more health issues along with that. Because diabetes raises with one more disease, like eyes disease, some other kind of disease. So do one remedy, uh, there is a red color thread which we wear in the hand. Normally when we do worship, we wear the red color thread. So take a red color thread which is of your height, like if you are 5'2" or 5'3", so take that thread and use the mustard oil, and in a lamp burn the thread by, like, if you make this kind of wick, instead of cotton wick we will use the thread wick, and burn it with the mustard lamp. once in a month on Saturday. That will help you reduce your blood sugar levels. And also do the moon meditation. That will help because you are very emotional and always easily get influenced by others, and that's why your food, your diet gets imbalanced. So there are many issues.
Hmm.
So do this remedy and
Uh,
lifelong.
okay. Now this thread has to be, can be burnt all in a bundle together at a go.
Yes, at one go.
Okay.
It will be very thick one, but still we can do. We are able to do.
All right. Okay.
That will help.
Oh, that's wonderful help. So it will help every other person with this diabetic problem.
Yes,
Family.
anyone who is having diabetes for a long time, they can use this remedy.
Awesome. I'm
more,
happy
Fantastic.
more than
And
6 months or more than 1 year, if you are going through diabetes, then this remedy will help.
because I hate taking medicines. So I'm
Yes, that's why. But
remedy.
still, you have to take. So
in
that's
fact,
why I'm giving you remedy so that it should get reduced. If you
Okay.
are taking 3, then it should come to 1, but
Uh,
it will not become 0.
all right. That's nice. Kind of you to give me the remedies. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
thank you. Thank
fantastic.
you.
And just letting everybody know there are some some remedies that will come your way that are for that can be for everybody or not. Upanji will also keep letting us know that simultaneously. So Upanji, there's Bijal Shah,
Yeah.
2nd October 1977,
Uh,
Mumbai, 7:07 a.m.
please go slow. 2nd
Sorry,
October
sorry. I'm so sorry. 2nd October 1977,
and time
7:07 a.m.
7 p.m. Okay. And birthplace
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Okay. And if someone doesn't know about time and place, with date of birth also, I can tell. So this chart is also indicating about diabetes because I'm not going in a deeper way. So it's like already Bijal is going through diabetes or she's prone. And if she is not having diabetes, her father might be having.
Okay. Bijal, I'm unable to see you on the participant list. Do write in on the group and let us know. And what would you like to say to her, Upmanji? Is there anything you'd like to say? I'm unable to locate her on the list. Shilpa, can you help, please? Bijal. There is no, she's probably on with another name.
Okay, so Bijal should, uh, if her father is having diabetes or anyone who is not having diabetes but father is having diabetes, so one also becomes sensitive to get diabetes. In that scenario, on Wednesday, offer 3 bananas at religious place. It will be good if you go to Lord Ganesha's temple and offer there. Every Wednesday will be favorable. If you are not able to go every Wednesday, then once in a month and anywhere like at a foreign land, one is not able to go temple, then orphan age.
Right.
One
Bijal,
three
I
banana.
hope you're online and I hope you've heard that. Do write in on the group and let us know. And people, I've gone straight to the first that I saw with the name, location, and time. So I would request you to definitely please put that in and please don't worry. Everybody will be taken
And
care of.
Neeru, here I want to say, I wish to
Yes.
say, like
Yes.
whatever remedies or suggestions I am giving, it is not the alternative solutions for medicines. So
Right.
medicines, your lifestyle, both you have to keep proper. Apart from that, these are the remedies which can help. If you are taking three medicines, then gradually it will come to one. Or if just now diabetes has appeared, then by medicines and with these remedies, it will be like you will be able to control it. because right now here I'm just looking at a very quick way. And in astrology, there is the house of disease, there is a house of chronic disease, and there is a house of which indicates like lifelong ups and downs will be there in your health. So it can be in a various ways.
In fact, Upmaji, it's very interesting. Thank you for bringing that up because and putting that disclaimer out there. It is very important for everybody to know that these
Yes,
remedies are either preventive in nature or con- getting it kind of under control in nature because
yes,
diabetes and certain health concerns, once they come, it's then you it requires an entire lifestyle change. Correct, Upmaji?
yes, entire lifestyle. And uh, like for example, as soon as you start getting emotional, your moon becomes weak. And anyone most of the people, like 80% charts are having moon weak. And when we become emotionally weak, that time your blood sugar level rises. Whenever you are going through financial stress, your blood sugar level rises. When you are not able to sleep properly, insomnia, blood sugar level rises. So astrological remedies are to just pacify these planets so that whatever you are doing, they can keep giving you positive results. Like for example, I said today Mercury planet has came in the Taurus sign. So if anyone is having Taurus sign in their disease house, then for the till the time Mercury will be in the Taurus sign, whatever they will do, not able to control the diabetes. So here
Ah,
astrological remedy helps because Mercury has came for certain period. That time we will do the remedies of Mercury. So that's why it is like taking the constant astrological help.
right, right. Absolutely,
It is
absolutely.
regarding that.
Yes. Very, very, very well put. Simply put, as always, Rupaji, and just reiterating this for everybody, you don't need to know astrology, really. You don't, and Upmaji, I have never seen her say something to somebody that's going to scare the living daylights out of them. She's, and you've already seen it with two people, just two people right now in like 2 minutes. That this is there, this possibility is there. Just do at least this much, and hang in there because there is something great coming up for everybody. And Upmaji taking on our next person, which is Radhika Satish.
Yeah.
Uh, Her date of birth is 6th May 1982.
Mhm.
6th May 1982, Coimbatore. And her time of birth is 2:11 p.m. 2:11 p.m.
Okay. So in this chart, chances are very high for getting diabetes. And already father or mother might be having, any one of the parent might be having the diabetes.
Okay.
So here again I will say offer 3 bananas to Lord Ganesha, or if it is not possible, then offer grains to birds. That will help. And along with that, moon meditation is compulsory for everyone because moon helps us to bring our emotions balance. That's why.
Radhika is here, Upmaji.
Hi
Hi,
Radhika.
good evening, Upmaji.
Good evening. How are
Uh,
you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good. Yeah.
What is this exactly? This moon meditation is
Moon meditation means like on the full moon day,
okay.
if it is possible for you to go in the terrace or as in a balcony from
o-
where you can look at the moon, that will help. So
o-
gaze at the moon for 10 minutes, and if
Okay.
it is not possible, then just take a picture of full moon and
Mhm.
just look at the full moon picture for 10 minutes. That will
Okay.
help.
Because my mother is the diabetic. Because my mother, my nani, my masis are all diabetic basically.
Yes, and your chart indicates you are also sensitive towards it. So maintain the healthy lifestyle.
Okay. And this bananas, when should we offer? Like
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yes, every Wednesday or once in a month on Wednesday.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Upmaji.
Thank you.
Thank you, Radhika.
Thank you, Neelu.
There's Cynthia Upmaji.
Yeah.
Cynthia Castell is her name. Date of birth is 18th October 1965.
Huh.
Chicago, USA. And time of birth is 5:30 p.m.
Chicago. Chart also indicates either already she is having a diabetes as well as some sort of eye related issues.
Cynthia, hi.
Hello, hi, thank you, thank you.
Hello. Hello, Cynthia.
Hello, as I said, on my mother's side, there are several family members with diabetes, but this is the older onset. But my daughter has insulin dependent diabetes since she was 11 years old. But things have been, as you were saying to other people, these last few years, I'm very emotional and my weight keeps going up and up and up. And
Yes. So, many members in the family are having diabetes and your daughter is also having diabetes. So I will say, whenever possible for you, take 1 kg rice and offer these rice to orphanage. So like 4 members in the family are having diabetes. So take 4 kgs of rice, 1 kg rice from each member side. So just to say on the behalf of taking the name, like my daughter, my mom, and according to other relations, you can say, I'm offering these rice to orphanage home kids. You can donate this on Monday or on Friday, whenever it is possible for you, but keep doing this once in a 6 month, lifelong. That will help.
okay,
Okay. And do you know about the fenugreek seeds?
do I do?
Fenugreek, Nilu, methi dana, that is fenugreek.
Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek is what it's called in English.
Ah, right,
It
right.
is fenugreek. Yes,
You
fenugreek.
know about that?
No,
No.
You have it easily available there.
I don't know.
Just try at some Indian market, Indians,
Yes.
and there, like for every member, half spoon of fenugreek seeds you can put in the water, keep it overnight, and in the morning, at a very first drink, give this fenugreek water. So, छान कर पानी पीना है. What we will say?
Okay. Right. So, Cynthia, you've got to soak the fenugreek seeds per the measurements that Upmaji is given for each family member. So, a separate glass each. And when you have it in the morning, make sure to strain the water. Don't consume the seed.
Okay,
We can consume, but it's very
Bitter.
different.
It's very
Yes.
bitter.
Yes,
Very
it's very bitter. So if anyone can eat them, that will be helpful. But if someone is not able to eat them, then just drink the water. That will quickly bring the sugar levels normal.
lovely, lovely.
And
Thank you,
just to
Cynthia.
check anything in the southeast direction, any water related stuff is kept in the southeast direction. If it is kept, just remove it.
Yes.
Do you have anything water related in the southeast direction?
Do you know, we had a burst pipe not that long ago, but now we have leaky taps and it's
Right.
going, it's like a baby. It wakes me going, "Rrr," and I have to go open it, let some water run, turn it 3 or 4 times every night.
Right. So get it repaired ASAP, Cynthia. Get it taken care of immediately.
Okay.
Because
Good.
chart indicates that.
Upmaji, you know what, it never ceases to amaze me how you see what you see and you pinpoint on things and it is connected everywhere. And I cannot wait for people to have this at a more serious level with you. And by serious level, I mean like a full on in-depth conversation with you. And we will bring that up very shortly. Thank you, Cynthia. Hang
Thank
in
you.
there,
Thank you, thank you,
right?
thank you.
Stay till the end. We've got some very nice stuff coming up. Okay, Upmaji, I'm going to take on just taking on one or two people for now
Sure.
before we get Garima here, who is here to share her experience with all of us here. So just taking on Jaya Ram Singhani. Her
Yeah.
date of birth, Upmaji, is 1st of September 1973 in Mumbai. Time is 9:20 p.m.
So chart indicates she is having diabetes and her food habits is also like she loves to eat tasty food.
Jaya's here, Upmaji. Hi, Jaya.
Hi,
Jaya.
Neelu. Hi, Upmaji.
Hi.
Okay, so I love to eat tasty food. I don't have diabetes, but I have thyroid.
Jaya, I'm so sorry. Your voice is lagging. Upmaji, can you hear her?
Not properly.
Right. It's, you know, it's
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
no, it's coming like very stretched and with cuts in between. So I'm gonna just put you back on mute for a
No?
moment. Let Upmaji let you know what to do, and we'll try and get you on later again. Yeah.
Okay. So for her, if she is able to, sorry, uh, uh, she can donate that green color like spinach or green color any vegetable to cows, that will be helpful. And if it is not possible, then green color cloth to sister, that will help. It's a very simple remedy.
Absolutely.
Once in a 6 month, a sister will become happy and she will get.
You know, I never question, I never ask you, Manji, I don't think any of us ever ask you why this, why that, but we know that all of this is coming from spaces of connection. So the green has a connotation. There's a reason for the green. There's a reason to be donating it to the sister. There's a reason to feed a cow green vegetables or something green. So thank you so much for this. And it's amazing how in like 60 seconds, you're saying prone, not prone, whatever it is, just start doing this. People, can you imagine if you get to spend, say, 30 minutes with her, what you can get to know and do for yourselves. Again, like I said, I cannot wait for this to come up, and this will happen in about 5 minutes from now. Rachna, I'm taking on Upmaji and then getting Garima on as well. So Rachna S is what she's written. I'm not saying a surname. This is 27th of April, 1976. Belated happy birthday, Rachna. Just what was it? 3 days back? 4 days back. Belated happy birthday. 8:15 a.m. Hyderabad.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you. It's 8:05. It is a typo, actually. 8:05.
Oh.
It's my typing error. Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay. My date of birth is changed. 8:05 p.m.
PM or AM?
AM.
Sorry,
AM.
AM. Sorry, my bad. AM.
So, Rachna, your father is having diabetes?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So your chart indicates you are sensitive towards diabetes.
Okay.
So take care of diabetes as well as take care of your digestion and eyes. These few things are very sensitive in your chart. And
Actually, eyes are affected recently, like since 1 month, I'm feeling a lot blurry kind of vision. I mean, not so clear.
yes, and uh, uh, whenever it is possible, take take the medical help related to that, because ignoring the eye related issues can cause diabetes also. And for eyes, the astrological remedy is like you can soak 1 spoon of wheat in a water overnight, and in the morning strain and drink this water. That will help you to have a good eyesight. And second remedy is listening to Aditi Hriday Stotra. That is the stotra related to sun planet that you
Okay.
can do. And
Okay.
Neelu, everyone can do Surya Namaskar for eyesight, for diabetes, for every kind of good health. Surya Namaskar will help.
Right. Did you say 1 spoon of wheat? Did you mean
Yes,
atta?
wheat, not atta, wheat, gehu, proper gehu,
Gehu, okay, like whole wheat,
whole
right?
wheat. Yes,
Right. Because
whole
I
wheat.
was wondering, is it atta? It will
No, no,
become, I don't know what it will
no,
become
no,
in
not atta, whole wheat. When we soak
whole
the
wheat.
whole wheat, because
Okay.
best thing will be like uh, गेहूं की जवारे उगाते हैं ना,
Right.
when we sow the whole wheat and the grass appears, so
Right.
cut that grass, make the water of that, but it is a very lengthy process.
Yes. It's like the Upmaji with Navratri, the Ghat
Yes,
Sthapana
that,
that is done.
yes,
We put the
yes, like that only.
I had no idea about that.
Yes,
This
but it is
this
very
usage of
helpful.
that I didn't know.
Yes, it is very helpful for staying healthy. But there are many rules behind that. That's why it is a difficult. But drinking of whole wheat water kept it for overnight, that helps to have a good eye vision. And when you are having the good physical eyes, your third eye center will be improved. And third eye center is directly connected with our emotions, sacral energy center. So everything is connected.
Interconnected. Right.
Um, you had kept a washing machine in the northwest direction,
No, it's in east actually.
east.
Yeah.
Okay. Whenever it is possible, shift it to other direction, because east is not helpful for your chart, because east is the direction of sun. Sun governs our eyes, and affliction in the sun east direction is creating eye issues.
Okay.
Wow.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rachna.
Thank you.
Like the mind boggles at the things that you say, Upmaji, and the simplicity with which you say it. Okay, there's this is all right. Okay, there's Dr. Harpreet, which and her date of birth is 8th of February 1973, 11:55 p.m. Ludhiana.
1 second. 8th February.
9 8 February 1973,
Okay.
11:55 p.m.
11:55. So here again chart is indicating diabetes related issues, but not now, at a later age, but father might be having.
Right. Harpreet, I hope, have I sent a request to the right person?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, Harpreet.
So yeah, my father is having diabetes.
Okay. So chances for you also to get the diabetes, not now, but after a few years. So take care of your health. And for your father, um, you can do a remedy or on the behalf of your father, like donating the wheat, anything which is made up of wheat, wheat biscuits, wheat bread, wheat chapati to old age homes. That will help. And uh, ask him to place turmeric powder tika on forehead and on both earlobes. That will help him.
Okay, so even my mother is also having diabetes. I can do the
Yes,
same
for
thing.
both parents, you can do the same way.
Okay, okay.
That will help.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank
And I'm just going to take a quick moment here, Upmaji. Everyone, Garima's, you know what? You're already seeing what's happening here. This is right now a live, like with somebody who's been through the entire process with Upmaji. We have her here, and let me get her on, and you can hear from her directly exactly what had happened. Hi, Garima.
Hi Nilu. Hi Upmaji. Hi everyone.
Hi. Would it be possible for you to come on video if you can?
Actually, there's some problem in my laptop camera. Otherwise, definitely I
No
would have
worries.
come. I'm so
No
sorry.
worries. Not at all. No worries. We're happy to hear your voice. Tell us.
Yeah, thank you so much. And I would like to share my experience with Upmaji. And I would like to say thanks to Upmaji also for giving me opportunity to come over here and share my experience with her. So basically, we have been taking consultation and remedies from Upmaji since long. And a few years back, when my brother-in-law he was diagnosed with diabetes, so we consulted her as always, and we shared our concern with her, and she shared some of the remedies with her with us, and also asked us to keep updating about the progress, how these remedies are working, if anything needs to be changed. So she has given all the response very kindly. And yes, I mean then when we have adopted all the remedies regularly, and in 6 months time period we observed that we are able to keep the blood sugar level in control. And yes, it was very happy. And yes, definitely along with regular medicines, but those medicines also have come down, as she said that dose will come down. And now thing is, like, we have been taking regularly all those medicines. They have become part of our life, and it's helping us to stay normal. So yes, thanks once again. Yeah.
Thank you.
Very nice. Thank you for coming on, Garima. Upmanji, do you have anything to say to Garima before we
Thank you,
say bye?
Garima, for coming. And one thing which Garima doesn't know that I wish to tell. In the second or third time of consultation, her brother-in-law was wearing the cat's eye gemstone. And I
Okay.
said, remove that gemstone, that will help. And it actually helped. So sometimes, because we all keeps wearing gemstones and unknowingly, because when we wear any gemstone, that particular planets becomes strengthened. And
Correct.
when you are wearing any gemstone and that planet is causing the high sugar levels, it will keep going it keep giving
Right.
blood sugar levels up. So
Right.
removing that gemstone helped.
Superb. And I have to, in fact, I have to share this here since you brought this story up, I must share this with everybody here. I've also taken, consults with Upmaji. I'm a regular student of hers as well. And I remember the first time ever that we had done the consult, the first thing, by the time we finished a little bit, the first thing she asked is, she said, are you wearing any stones? I said, no, I don't wear any stones. I only my crystals and all. She said, that is fine. Wait, did you wear stones? I said, yeah, somebody told my mother, make her wear a pearl ring. Bahut gussa hai usme. Sorry, she has a lot of anger, emotions, whatever, it'll calm down. So for a while I had worn it. In fact, just that day or 2 days before, I had taken that ring out and I just started wearing it again. And she said, no stones for you. You keep it back inside. So Yeah, and it was really amazing how that happened. And people, just want to tell you, please wait here. We will take as many of you on as possible, and of course Upmaji will be here after the call as well, so hang in there. But Upmaji, with your permission, I would love to let everybody know what's in store for them, so that especially the ones who've already been able to have a word with you and the ones who are going to have a word with you, they know what they need to do for the next step for their health transformation. So give me a moment. I'm going to just quickly get the amazing offers that Upmaji has for you on. Just a moment, please. Okay. Just one more. There we go. We have Astro Remedies for diabetes and general health with Upmaji. Upmaji, please tell us about what's in store. There you go.
Yeah, so there is a package A, and in this package A, you will get 3 personal consultation with me, and it is a 3 months package. So one consultation each month. The first consultation will be for 30 minutes. Then there will be the 2 another consultations, second and third month, which will be for 15 minutes. And all these 3 months, I will give you support on email or WhatsApp, whatever way you like. So we will start with our consultation. I will give you remedies. Whatever you feel, you can email or chat with me on WhatsApp. These will be done on the Thursdays. So Thursdays will be our meeting day on email or WhatsApp. And apart for this, you will have a bonus, that is the WhatsApp support, and it's cost rupees 10,000. And the usual price for 3 months consultation is rupees 25,333. That is the USD 397.
But because where are you? You're on the Mystic Lotus Awesome Love and Health Tele Summit. This is Upmaji, please.
Yes. So here on Mystic Lotus Awesome Tele Summit, it is for 555 5555 and USD 88. So if you wish to take consultation from me, just start.
Absolutely. And this is an amazing offer, Upmaji, very generous. And I have to say this, fortunately for me, I've not had to consult, what's a diabetes diabetologist. Sorry, I'm sorry if I pronounced that incorrect. You know, you do a consult, however many consults, and you have a medical cost, which goes up to quite a bit. Even if you take one consultation, maybe what's the average cost? 1,200 to 1,000 range. And even if you're eating one tablet a day, what's the minimum cost, Upmaji, for anywhere from 65 to 75 rupees for one tablet? So in a month, in a given month, you're easily spending anywhere from 3,500 to 5,000 rupees for that. Here, for just 5,555, you have a 3-month setup. You get to know fully about what's going on with everything, with your health, whether you're diabetes prone or not, whether you have it or whether you're prone to it, everything else that could come into play. You've got 2 follow-up sessions and you're getting remedies. And Upmaji, so the remedies, once you give them, it's that only, or with every consult, you'll be checking their progress and you'll maybe change remedies as required?
Yes, there are the few remedies which will be for lifelong, and there will be few remedies which keeps changing. Like your birth chart indicates some planetary positions. Those remedies will be for lifelong. But like every month, one or 2 planets gets changed. Sometimes 3 planets are changing their sign. So according to that, remedies change every month.
Fabulous. So this is a 3-month setup for you where you do get to meet Upmaji and take your consult. For everybody, for somebody who's looking at just a simple consult, there is an amazing setup there for you as well, Upmaji.
Yes. And if you are looking like for only email or WhatsApp consultation, so there will be one personal consultation which will be only on email or WhatsApp, and you will receive the remedies on 10th May and 10th June. So on the 2 months you will receive the remedies, and there will be, as a bonus, you will have WhatsApp support or whatever you desire. I will give you on the 25th May. Some more remedies, you can say. The usual price for it for this package is rupees 4333, which is USD 68. And the special price, because everyone is here at Mystic Lotus and Dragonflies, which is a place I love to be. Rupees 733 is a special price, and USD 12
Fabulous. This
a
is just,
package B.
it's one consult
Yes.
only via email or WhatsApp. And what's the information that's going to come here, Upmaji? You will let them know what planet is affected. What's the
Yes. What planet
It
is
was showing up.
giving disease?
right?
Which which particular energy center is creating imbalance? So
Right.
according to that, I will give the remedies on 10th May as well as on 10th June, because somewhere if anything gets progressed or some other thing comes in through WhatsApp or email chat, I will come to know, and then I will give some more remedies.
Fantastic. And this is to, this is just such a sweetheart offer, I have to say. 733, and you'll get to know everything. Yes, there is no live consult. For that, you have to have you have to take the first package of just 5,555. But this is also such a fabulous offer, Opaji. Thank you so
Thank you.
much for this. So people, you want to transform your health with Astro Remedies, you know what you've got to do. Payment links are in the group. Start now with Upmaji. And I'll just stop this share quickly here.
Yes.
And I know everyone's still waiting. Everyone is waiting for your immediate feedback to them. So should we continue, Upmaji?
Yes.
Okay, there's did I take Mridul's name? No, I did. Sorry. So there's Mridul Tamrakar,
Yeah.
12th of May 1978,
Time.
in Drug, Chhattisgarh. There's no time given.
Okay. Okay. It's completely
time.
fine. It's completely fine. So here also planetary position indicates father might be having the diabetes, and Mridul is also sensitive towards diabetes. And as apart from diabetes, there are some other financial issues which are the cause of this diabetes.
Right. I'm unable to find her on the list right now, Upmanji. So if
It's
you
okay.
want to go ahead and just leave it on record, she'll get to know about it in the read.
Yeah, and I will here also I will say, like offering 3 bananas to Lord Ganesha or at religious place, that will help, and listening to the sound of where we started our call, bell sound,
Bell.
that will help, because there are the deep issues related to finance, and there are some relationship issues also, and that is the cause of, once those will addressed, diabetes will get addressed.
Right. And very quickly, Upmanji, and for everybody, this conversation right now also with whoever's put in their name, date of birth, you're getting to know about whether you already have it or if whether you could be prone to it. So the 2 offers that we have for you is not just for a diabetes concern, because Upmanji, correct me if I'm wrong, diabetes is not a standalone disease, right?
Yes.
There are so many more complications that come with it.
Yes, because if you are having diabetes or if you are sensitive towards diabetes, then there are like uh, eyes related issues, kidney related issues, foot like pain in the leg, sciatica, skin issues, hearing issues, heart issues. All these are the some side effects, or you can say these are the sensitive other areas which can which can give bother, which can bother you.
Right. And as you've been mentioning, even to one or two people, that there's something, some things, your eyes do need attention, and take care of them, because it could also lead to that. So just want to let everybody know, this is a consultation that you would be taking for your health, irrespective of whether there is the diabetes or not, because as we are finding out, there are a lot of underlying overlaying factors that might just make it happen in the future. So
Yes,
it's
and here Neelu, I want to say not only the chart indicates about your health condition, your home also describes about your health conditions. If you are having a water related thing like water tank or RO in the southeast direction of home, anyone in the family will get diabetes.
wow. So that's a very vastu thing, is it, Upmaji?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
All
So,
right.
so never, if it is possible, do not keep your water, drinking water or any kind of water storage in the southeast direction, because every planet indicates something in our home and as well as in our body. Because when sun is weak, your fire will be weak, your metabolism will become weak, that can create diabetes. It also indicates about father. Then as along with that, when moon is weak, moon indicates about our sacral chakra, moon indicates about mother, moon indicates about emotions, it also indicates about relationship. When one is not able to get married or issues in relationship, it can again make you sensitive towards diabetes or physical eye related issues, memory loss.
Right.
Saturn, which is a planet, it creates blockages. It is a main significator of disease. And when Saturn is normally in 80% of chart, Saturn is imbalanced. And when your Saturn is imbalanced, your root energy center is imbalanced, and the minute issue comes in any nerve, you can understand what kind of health problems one can get.
Absolutely. Correct. Correct.
So
Right. And
there is a
thank you for explaining
correlation.
that.
There is a
Right.
correlation between everything. When our digestion is not good, we can develop constipation, and we take constipation very lightly. But this constipation is a indicator of getting sensitive towards diabetes.
Right. Sorry. That was just very natural reaction for me right now.
Yeah. So here I'm going to tell everyone also for the audience, like, do not ignore the symptoms which body is giving you, because we keep ignoring the symptoms and then there comes the issues. Like anyone who is fond of eating paneer, what we call it, cottage cheese,
Cottage cheese.
that can also indication of diabetes. Like if you are very fond of eating this, it indicates your venus is imbalanced.
Wow. So even
One
what you
is,
eat, don't eat is interrelated with the planets.
yes, like one is very fond of eating salt and sweet kind of food, like
Right.
pickles, chaat, that kind
Right.
of street foods. Then
Yes.
again, it indicates you can go for a surgery.
Oh. Sorry. I'm just I'm trying to process everything in my head right now.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, that is, people, that's a lot of information. I know, but that's why you go to somebody like Upmaji. That's why you take a consultation with an expert like Upmaji, who's going to give you very simple things. She's going to let you know what's connected to what are the possible reasons this is happening with you, and she will help you through it. So keep that in mind. And Upmaji,
Yeah,
sorry, my eyes just went back to the phone.
yes,
So take on a few more.
yes, please.
So there's Deepa Awasthi,
Hmm.
who's 12th of December 1977
Yes.
at 7 p.m. in Khandwa. Where's that, Gujarat?
No, it's in MP.
Oh,
Her parents might be having.
She's
Most
here.
probably.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Deepa.
Hi,
Hello.
Deepa.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, my father had diabetes.
Yes. And because he's having diabetes, you are also sensitive towards it. And for that purpose, what you can do, you can offer rice at the, or on Friday, you can offer rice at religious place, 1 kg rice once in a 6 month. That will help. So like when you will do on the behalf of your father, so it will be like maintain your lifestyle, good healthy lifestyle, and this one remedy will help to avoid coming that disease to you.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, let me ask you. Actually, he is no more. So even then,
Okay.
I have to means sacrifice rice for on behalf of him.
Yes, that you can do, but now like he's no more, so you can just say, I'm offering this from my ancestors.
Okay.
So it can be your father, and maybe if any other generation, anyone was going through that kind of thing, because some planetary placement is there, which is indicating this is coming from the forefathers.
Yes, ma'am.
And it also indicates like there is something in your relationship which is not good, and that is giving you emotional stress, and
Yes.
that emotional stress can bring many things.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
offering rice will help.
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Keep doing this lifelong because it's from your birth chart.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Deepa.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Rohini, is this for your mom? So it's for Kamya Karan.
Yeah.
Sorry, obviously not for your mom. I didn't see the year. 20th of October, 1989,
Okay.
10:16 p.m. Delhi. And I'm sorry, I'm unable to find her here. So, Upmaji, I'm unable to find her here.
It's
So
okay.
what would you like to do?
I will say her chart indicates about she herself either already got the diabetes or 2021 and starting 22 indicates about getting diabetes. And the one remedy which she can do is like offering the grains to the birds, that will help, or offering bananas, that will help. These two remedies will help her. And one remedy more can be done, wearing the gold chain in the neck.
Right.
That
right.
will help.
Nice. Thank you. I think
The
Rohini.
Taurus sign indicates about our teeth as well as this neck. It is also indicate about second house. When you wear the gold chain, you make your Jupiter good. And once your Jupiter is balanced in a positive way, it becomes good. diabetes related issues will get pacified, because the underlying, or what I will say, the issue of getting diabetes is mostly finance and stress.
Got it. All right. Okay, so there's Upanji Vandana's Vandana's here.
Yeah.
3rd of Feb 1971,
Yes.
11:50 p.m. Thane. Hi, Vandana.
Yes.
Vandana, can you hear me?
Hi. Yeah. Hi.
Yes. Hi. Vandana, your mother is having the diabetes?
No. In my house, my auntie had, but not mummy. Mummy, daddy, none of them.
None of them. Auntie means mother, sister.
No.
Father's.
For my father's brother's wife.
Okay. So, do you have some relationship related issues?
Yeah, I'm a single mother now.
Okay. So be careful, because your chart indicates you might have you are sensitive towards diabetes, and it can appear in next year 2022 after November 22. So be careful about that. And as a prevention, you can do one remedy: wear the gold chain, and offer something which is made up of green moong, like a green moong halwa, or anything which is made up of green moong, or directly green moong, green lentil, that you can offer to orphan age or at Lord Ganesha temple. So that is prevention. One on Wednesday you can do once in a 6 month. Quantity as you wish, like half kg, 1 kg, but that will help.
Okay.
Keep doing that.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, Vandana.
Thank you.
We have Dolly here,
Yes.
which with her date of birth is 9th of October 1965, 2:25 a.m. Mumbai. And just a quick reminder to everybody, please post it on Telegram group. We will cover as many as we possibly can on the live call. And Upaji will be here later today and tomorrow morning. So not to worry at all.
Yes. Dolly ji is already having diabetes, as well as some hormonal related issues, boils related issues, eyes related issues. So there are many health kind of issues. Chart indicates that.
Hi, Dolly.
Hi, Neeru, it's me.
Hi.
Hi, Upmaji. Very happy you've taken my my date of birth. I'm really happy today.
Thank you. So, are you going through some health issues?
I have thyroid since at least 29 years that I know about. And right now I'm facing a lot of rash problem.
Rash problem.
Like I get rash, yeah.
Okay. And you are not having diabetes?
I've never checked it.
Not checked it. Okay.
Yeah, but my dad didn't have. My dad didn't have.
Okay. Like you are having the thyroid from last many years. So thyroid is again, it is connected with our throat chakra. It is
right.
It is related to the Mercury planet, and because of that, this diabetes can appear. So just be careful. It is not necessary diabetes will appear. I'm not saying 100%, but yes, your chart is sensitive towards that. And what remedy you can do is, like there are the lotus seeds, makhana. So lotus seeds you can have as your breakfast or in snacks. that will help. And anything which is made up of like milk chocolates or anything which is white sweets, that you can offer to small girls on Friday. That will help.
Yeah, but as of now, the diabetes is there, not there.
Chart
Like as
like
per my
right now,
chart.
like right now, if you are not you had not uh, taken the test of diabetes, so I will say ki in the year of 2026, chart is indicating diabetes.
26 ना अभी 5 बरस है. Till that
Yes,
time I can take care.
yes, you can take
And go
care.
through the remedies.
Yes, because you are already having the thyroid. So that's why Venus has not disturbed your solar plexus, but it has disturbed your thyroid. So
Yeah.
one of the thing it has given.
Mhm.
So that's why we are pacifying the Venus planet, because once Venus is cured, then the diabetes will not appear in 2026 also.
Great. It's such a, I'm so happy you've taken my, I'm really happy. So that, I mean, I'm stress free, you know, feeling stress free.
Yes,
Yeah.
you can stay stress free because planet gives only one thing. It is not like it will give you in combination.
Mhm.
So
Thank you. Thank
stay
you.
happy.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes,
Thank you.
ma'am.
I'm just going to take a quick moment, Upmaji, to remind everybody that you have your offers available. There is the package A of the 3 consults across 3 months, 1 consult each month, that entire setup, which is 5,550, I was going to say 55, sorry, 5,555 rupees or $88. And if you'd like just a single, you're okay with a single, a one-time consult over the email, it's only for 733 rupees or $12. These little tips, remedies that you're giving, Upaji, this is just the, it's just the tip of the iceberg, right? With the consult, there's much more that could come in, correct?
Yes, there will be much more in the
More
consultation.
details on things to do, not to do, move something, keep something somewhere, etc. Correct?
Yes. And
Lovely.
there is the gift for audience.
Yes, there is a yes. Please tell everybody what your lovely gift is.
Yes. So the gift which I had given, there I had given the 3 remedies for the prevention of diabetes. In that, you have to take a you have to keep a silver square piece. So it should be complete square piece. The corners, if you want, you can just make them round. Corners can be made round, but it should not be the round. The piece should be square. Keep a silver square piece in your wallet or in the office bag or wherever you are sitting, there you can place it. The second remedy is do not keep washing machine in the northwest direction of home, because when you place the washing machine in the northwest direction, the planets which get imbalanced, they can create diabetes. So do not keep your washing machine in the northwest. But like there are many homes where you cannot remove if you had kept. So in that scenario, you can offer rice at the religious place. Once in a 6 month, 1 kg rice can be offered at religious place. The third remedy is wear a gold chain or gold thread in the neck lifelong. So these are the 3 remedies for the prevention. If anyone who is already having the diabetes and to control it, offer services for dog, or if you are able to keep a dog at home, that will help. And if you are keeping at home, then do services. It is not like any other family member is doing services. So it is doing services for dog. Second remedy is wear the gold, anything which is gold earrings. So gold earrings can be worn in the ears, or just put small, just a pin, little bit turmeric. So just dip your finger with the turmeric powder and apply the turmeric powder on the earlobes. That will help. Third remedy is offer bananas at religious place or orphanage homes. Once in a 6 month, one can do this. Quantity according to your choice. Avoid wearing multicolor shade clothes. So like anyone, normally we wear 2 or 3 color shades. So here multicolor means if you are wearing your top or a shirt, it should not be of like many colors. Avoid that. 1 or 2 colors is good. Then increase healthy vibrations at home. This is related to the current situation we are going through. So instead of saying COVID, 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 I am saying increase the healthy vibration, because we desire to have our family members, our loved ones, friends, everyone should be healthy. So for that reason, if you can play Mahamratyunjay mantra in a low volume 24 into 7 at home, that will be best. Second remedy is, if you or anyone is feeling uneasy, take a glass of drinking water and chant Mahamratyunjay mantra in that water. So like you can take the glass of water, look at it and chant. Don't count numbers, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you can do. Just look at the water, chant it, and it should be the drinking water so that that person can drink it. Third is burn camphor and cloves. So you can take 2 or 3 balls of camphor and 2 or 3 cloves and just let it burn. That will help. And if you are not able to burn, because in US many are not able to burn it, so just uh, keep these 2 things in an open container. That will help. Next remedy is keep some camphor in open bowl in every room. So not at one place, but in every room. And when this camphor gets evaporate, replace it with the new one. The next remedy is daily 2 times in a day drink lemon juice with lukewarm water. So here we will not add salt or sugar. It is just a lemon juice and a lukewarm water. That will help. And this lemon juice, take it early morning or before sunset. After sunset, one should not take the lemon juice. Last one is do the forgiveness prayer by saying, I forgive everyone who hurt me knowingly or unknowingly, this or any lifetime, and ask for forgiveness from everyone who hurt me knowingly or unknowingly. So you have to forgive anyone who had hurt you and again the other way, because forgiveness is like it is a emotion, and this situation has came because when we are in imbalance of emotions, because psychologically we are listening everywhere negative news. So just forgive.
And just to let everybody know, this is going to reach you as a document, either as a Word document or a PDF. It's going to be put on the group also after the call, and it'll be part of the replay as well. So,
and one more remedy I wish to tell, like if you are feeling some congestion in the lungs or you are feeling the breathing issues, just take the green cardamom. Take 5 green cardamom, open it, and in a 1 glass of drinking water, put the green cardamom and open means हरी इलायची पूरी की पूरी उसको खोलकर उसका दाना और वो कवर, we will boil them, and after boil it in a slow flame, and after 5 minutes sieve it and drink it in a hot way. That will help.
basically, you've got to take 5 pieces of green cardamom, open it completely, put the seeds also into the water and the covering, the green cover, the green cover that it has, boil it on a low flame for 5 minutes, and then strain it and consume it like you would consume, say, hot tea, but you just you have it hot. That's for chest congestion.
Yes.
Right. So we came in wanting to know about diabetes. Now we know that there are general health concerns that could be indicative of this, or there could be others. And now you've also given us a few very simple things to try and deal with any kind of congestion or things that we might feel right now, including with the Mahamrityunjay job. Sorry.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Upmaji. Really.
Thank
Thank you. Just there are few questions, and I'm sorry I missed these because I can only see dates. Date of birth. Is, the 733 package amount, Upmaji, package B, that is it for one health concern? Will we be telling you this is my, or you will be giving us an overview? How is that working?
It is for one health concern.
Right. So, for example, suppose I'm coming to you and I don't know what's going on, and I say I want a health consultancy. So you'll be giving me an overview, right? You're not going
Yes,
to say
I'm going to give you overview. Like right now, here I said, because of this planet, these 2-3 things can appear, or one of these issues is going on, and because of that, this particular center is getting imbalanced. So do these 2-3 remedies, 4 remedies that way.
And if I am coming specifically for something, then I come with that one thing, and
Yes.
that is what you take me through. Whether it's diabetes, whether it's thyroid, whether it's digestive issues, whatever it is, if I'm coming with something, then I come with one thing.
One,
right?
yes, right.
Jay, I hope that answers that for you. Sorry, Bijal, I hope that answers that for you. And Jaya has also asked Utmanji, how long will the WhatsApp communication be? As in, with package A, you've got
4 times, 4 times in a month.
Duration.
I had not written any duration because it's not like we will let it go for 1 hour, but it's like every time, whatever you are writing, whenever I will see, I will respond. Or if the same time I am able to write down, I will respond that time immediately. So don't bother about the timings. You are open to write whatever you wish.
That is very nice of you, Upmaji. Thank you. And Delbers asked, if the kitchen is in the southeast because it is the fire area, then water is bound to be there. So is there any remedy for that?
We can't do remedy there because already there is the fire, there is the metal, because utensils will be there will be grocery stuff. So all the 5 elements are present in the kitchen.
Right. Okay. So
you don't need to do extra remedy.
Don't need to do anything extra. Great. All right. So, okay. I'm just seeing this right now. I'm sorry, I'm unable to see your name. I can only see V written. If you could, is your name Charu? Is Charu your name? Charu Goyal, I'm just asking to unmute you. Just let me know if you're the person. This person's written in Upmaji that my husband is diabetic since 20 years. She's given date of birth and everything I'm telling you right now. And her husband's date of birth is 12th of May, 1975.
1 second.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I got the right person on?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because I couldn't see your name, then I suddenly saw one Charu written. So, 12th of May, 1975. What's your husband's name, Charu?
His name is Rinku Goyal, RINKU, and his place of birth is Pune,
and
PUNA.
1:35.
Time is 1:36 p.m.
1:36 because there's 1:35 written here.
Okay, sorry, 1:35.
No, I'm asking you for confirmation.
Yeah, it's 1:35. My mistake.
1:35 p.m.
Yeah.
So you are saying he's having diabetes from last 20 years.
Yeah, almost 21 years.
Yes. And is he also having some eyes related issues?
Yeah, whenever he has high sugar or something like that, his eyes immediately turn red.
Yes.
And then it takes like 3-4 days, 1 week to subside it. The white part of the eye, it gets all red. Immediately it gets affected.
Yes, because both are connected, and in his chart there are there is the planet which is causing the eye related deep issues.
Okay.
Sun is not at a good place, so it is
Okay.
causing eyes related issues, immunity, weak immunity, and diabetes. So
Yes.
here what you can do, like there is a chana dal which we call
Yes, ma'am.
it
Yes.
gram pulse.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
take 500 grams
Okay.
chana dal and offer this to religious place like any Lord Vishnu, any form of Lord Vishnu temple. If you offer 500 grams chana dal, that will help once in a month.
Okay. Okay. That has to be on Thursday.
Yes, that has to be on Thursday, and this
Okay.
is till September 2021. And after
Okay.
September 2021, you can do this once in a 6 month. And like right now, if you are not able to go at temple
Yeah.
because of lockdown and every other
Yeah.
issues,
Yeah.
so you can just keep at your home temple, or and whenever that temple's open, that time you can offer there.
Okay. When we are saying offering, so that means we have to go and keep it in front of Vishnu ji.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And ma'am, even I have diabetes since 2 years now. I have a lot of stress, that is for sure. So I
Yes.
understand it is because of that. But then I have got multiple health issues somewhere or the other since many years, almost like 20 years or something.
Yes, and for you is like take one handful of green moong,
Okay.
soak it in a water, and keep near your bed headboard side. And
Okay.
next day morning, offer them to birds. So
Okay.
daily offering the soaked green moong, that will help you to come out of these multiple issues.
Actually, I'm living in Gurgaon in flats. So here there are all multiple buildings. So birds actually don't come. I am at the ground floor. So there are no
Okay.
birds over here.
Okay, then you can take 1.25 kg of green moong and
Okay.
offer these to Lord Ganesha temple once
Okay.
in a 6 month on
Okay.
Wednesday.
On
That
Wednesday.
will help. Yes, that
Okay.
will help.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
I'm so
Charu.
grateful. Thank you so much, Neelu. Thank you.
Thank you.
Gratitude. Thank you.
Do go ahead and take a more detailed consultation with her, especially considering,
Yeah,
you know, everything
I
that's
do
on the
plan
plate.
to. I
Think
do
about
plan
it.
to.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Upmaji, we are at 8 o'clock, and I know that there are too many people that I have not been able to cover. And I know that you have said to me also earlier, and I want to let everybody know that Upmaji is going to respond to all of you. Please remember, these are some amazing offers that you have with you for a consult for your health with Upmaji. Package A at 5,555 or $88, and package B at just 733 rupees or $12. Upmaji, with your permission, can we take one more person on?
Yes, definitely.
All right. This is Aarti is written in for her mother. So her mother's name is Geeta Sadnani. Date of birth is 8th October 1962.
Okay, time.
And I'm sorry, I don't think she's Aarti. Are you here on the call? And if you are, can you just put your hand up, because I can see only an Aarti Chembur. I'm guessing that's you. So, sorry, Upmaji, it's 8th of October 1962 in Mumbai at 12 a.m. midnight. Aarti, are you? No, sorry.
Yes, that's me.
Oh, wait, okay, yeah, there you are.
Hi.
So the chamber bit threw me off for a second. So I was wondering.
Yeah, I join other sessions also. So, you know, sometimes
right.
they ask us to mention the location. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Aarti, your mother is having diabetes?
Actually, no, but she's tested with HbA1c and the level is around 6 or 7. So we're not very pretty sure whether to go ahead with medicines and all. So we haven't yet consulted any doctor.
Okay. So I will say by doing some physical like walk, if it is possible, and ask her to do Anulom Vilom, that is the breathing exercise. That
Okay.
will help. And another thing is like offering 3 bananas to Lord Ganesha. That will
Mhm.
help her because it's not like if she will try because she is having a good willpower. So if
Yeah.
she will be if she do these kind of things,
Mhm.
there will be no need to take any kind of medical help. But yes, after some time you can take because it's like she's going through some emotional stress, and
Okay.
emotional stress should be uh, taken care of priority basis. So it could
Mhm.
be like you might not be looking like there is a emotional stress, but there might be something which she is keeping holding in her heart. So
Okay.
please ask her to let it get released.
Okay. Okay.
That
So
will.
this 3 bananas we can offer at our home temple only, or I will have to do it.
You can offer at home temple, and after that give it to anyone else because family members cannot eat these bananas.
Okay, and this has to be done daily.
Not daily, on
Uh,
Wednesday. So,
okay.
like at starting for 3 months, every Wednesday you can do, and then
Mhm.
once in a 6 month.
Okay, once in 6 months. Okay.
Yes,
Ma'am, also one of your remedy she's been trying about that turmeric water you had mentioned on the group.
yes,
So is that okay to continue?
yes. It's okay.
Okay. And just one last question. The southeast direction of the fire and water thing which you mentioned that there are no remedies. But earlier you had also stated to move out the drinking water from southeast direction.
Yes, if it
So
is if it is possible. So if it
okay,
is
okay.
possible,
Mm-hmm.
then you can shift it in the north direction. But like if there is the kitchen, then you won't be able to do. And in kitchen, there are the utensils, there are the
Mm-hmm.
groceries, everything
Yeah.
is there. So it automatically gets balanced. But yes,
Okay,
there will be
okay.
some issues.
Okay, understood. Great.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you. Thank you, Neelu.
Bye. Thank you. Manji, this is just one last, I'm just,
Yeah.
right now because I know it is, whoever gets picked up, everybody else is still there, and all of you, Manji is there after the call and tomorrow. So please don't worry. I'm doing this very randomly. Okay. Martha, I've sent you a request to unmute.
Hello, you
Hello.
can hear me?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Martha. Go ahead. Give your details directly to Upmaji.
I was born June 23rd, 1952 at 4 a.m. in Montana, Plentywood, Montana.
So June, give the date again. 23rd June 1962.
52.
52, sorry. So 23rd June 1952, 4 a.m.
Yes.
4 a.m. in Montreal.
No, in Plentywood, Montana.
Sorry, I'm so sorry. In Montana, that's USA.
Yes.
Right.
Plentywood is the name of the town.
Plentywood, okay.
So, uh, are you having some emotional stress?
Yeah, I would really like to retire, but I don't have the money to do that. So it looks like
Yes.
when I turn 70 in another year, I will have to work part-time for the rest of my life. Unless something changes. So that's emotional.
Yes. And because of that reason, sometimes you feel issue like you are not having diabetes, but a little bit sensitive towards diabetes because you keep taking lot of stress. And to release this stress, listening the music of a bell, that will help. And the another thing is like if it is possible for you, then uh, keep a dog at home. And the third one thing is like if it is convenient for you, offer wheat stuff like wheat bread or wheat biscuits at old age homes. That will help you to balance your this financial finance. And once your finance will get addressed, then other issues will already get pacified.
Oh, thank you so much.
Your main concern is related to your finance.
Yes. Yeah, I think so.
And keep your photo in the north direction of home.
I am a nurse and I feel like I take on all of my clients' emotional stuff also. I don't want to, but I do.
Yes.
Yeah, so I will come home and have to process through, you know, people might just suddenly have a rage outburst or something, and that upsets me for a long time. So giving wheat, a
Yes,
wheat
giving
bread
wheat,
or
wheat will be
something.
helpful. And like you are a nurse and you take others' issues on yourself. So here I will suggest you uh, uh, take baths with the curd.
Yogurt.
Yes, yogurt. So take 1
Yogurt?
spoon of yogurt.
Yogurt.
Yes, take 1
Oh.
spoon of yogurt, mix some water and get it diluted and wash your face. And you can pour that water, yogurt water on your body, then take shower with the fresh water. So this way you will release the negative energies of emotions.
1 teaspoon?
Yes, 1 teaspoon is enough.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you.
Welcome. And do have a lemon juice.
Oh, yes. A teaspoon of lemon juice in hot water every morning?
Yes, every morning, that will help.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Martha. So there are some things that I've started keeping around me, especially on certain calls. Like I always have water with me, but for example, for Nidhu's calls, I will definitely have at least 3 bottles lying around with me. So this is, I actually keep a compass around now with your calls. Where's the northeast? Where's the southeast? Where's the northwest? So, Upmaji, thank you so much for today's call. It was very simply informative. You've already helped so many by just saying, yes, it's there, prone to it, might come up 5 years later. So start changing lifestyle right now. So people do use the opportunity to further enhance this consult for yourself so that you can make it a long-term lifestyle situation set up for yourself. There is one question, Upmaji, that I will just ask. Manisha has asked, do we have to ask our issue on the personal consult, or will Upmaji herself give the remedy looking at the birth chart?
We can go both ways, because
Right.
if you are having some issues and when you will write, you will just pouring out your heart.
And this is the package A, so personal consult. So when they're talking to you,
Package A and package B, in both they can
Right.
write down.
Right. Fantastic. Manisha, I hope that answers that for you. You know, Upmaji, before I ask you to say any last final words, I want to share this with everybody. It's an unknown quote. I don't know whose quotation this is, who has said this. It's an unknown. It says, which goes something like this, that adulthood is all about checking left and right before crossing the street and then being hit by an airplane. So I want to tell everybody, don't get hit by an airplane. Okay, take this opportunity to change your health story right away. Okay, so remember that. Look left, right, and above. And for the above, you know who's helping us? Upmaji. Upmaji, any last words before we wind up for the night?
Will say just whatever emotions is coming in your life or whatever things you are going through, just look at the positive side. Don't say disease, because disease sounds something negative, but say, I wish to have a good, healthy life, and try for that. Just do a little bit efforts for your healthy lifestyle daily. Whether you are doing Tadasan, any type of yoga, anything, but do something for yourself, because it's like that right now. Everyone is trying because they are doing this, they are doing that. So don't go on a blame game. We all are here to support our family and not to blame them. So increase the love of the heart. And if anything pops up in your mind, I am there.
Yes, that you are. Yes, that you are, absolutely. All your students, all your clients, all your entire base can 100% vouch for that you are there for everybody. Thank you so much for tonight's call, Upmaji. And people, Upmaji will be with you after a short break and tomorrow as well. So,
yes.
Big good night to everybody. Have a great weekend ahead. We'll see you on Monday for our next call.
And thank you, Neelu. Thank you, Nidhuji. Thank you, Shilpa. Thank you, Ruchira. Thank you, Amrish. And thank you, Team Mystic Lotus. And thank you, my lovely audience, each and every member. Because of you, I am here and I love to come again and again here. Thank you.
Bye, Upmaji.
Bye,
Bye,
take care. See you in a short while on Telegram.
Yes.
Good night.
Good night.